Pulled one out so far. Popped one pill. Changed those resistors. Waiting for the pill. Gatekeeper hasn't gotten back to me yet. So hopefully it'll just be that one pill. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we got the pill we need for this. Took a while. I don't know what's going on with shipping lately. Man, everything I've been ordering, and it doesn't matter if it's FedEx, USPS, or UPS, it doesn't matter. I mean, everything is... Look, I got a date on this. March 10th is when I ordered the pill. It took that long. It's insane. But I know my man is itching to have this back, so we are going to stick a Toshiba in here and try this bad boy. I ain't touching nothing else. He said it was working mint. We're just putting, I don't know why he popped one pill, but we're putting one pill in. If it works, it's going home. That's what he wants. He wants to get back in the middle of the road. Okay. That's all we're doing with this bad boy. Keeping it simple. You guys don't need to see me. You need to see this. Oh my gosh. It's a 2 driving 6. With a variable and sideband and everything. I'm afraid to even try this thing. Well, he says it works for him every day. I already cleaned it up. I'm ready to go. We'll give it one more little swipe in case some dust fell in there or something. Make sure that pill hole is good and clean. Beautiful. Yeah, they're not matching anyway, so we're gonna put one in and hope for the best, I reckon. But like I just said in the last video, I don't want to work on Toshiba boxes anymore. Period. End of story. Because I don't have Toshibas. Bottom line, I work with HGs. So I think the rubber's hitting the road, people. It's getting to the point now where you're just going to have to start buying new boxes with HGs in them. And let the Toshibas go. It's just, I don't think there's any way around it. They haven't made them in like 15 years now, maybe longer. Okay? I mean, I think we've stretched it out as long as we can stretch it. You know what I'm saying? And I know there's some guys out there with some really good all-original Toshiba boxes, but... And I know there's some guys out there with new Toshiba still, but they want $200 a pill. I don't know about you. I can get... How many HGC pills is that? You know what I'm saying? It just doesn't even make sense anymore. So, whatever. You know, and maybe they'll never be as resilient. The HGs will never be as resilient as the Toshibas, and they'll never maybe even do exact same watts, even though that's debatable. As far as I'm concerned, the C's do just as much. But, for the sake of argument, let's say they don't. So, just get a little bigger box. Okay, if you were running a 6-pill Toshiba box, buy a brand new 8-pill HG box. Problem solved, right? That's it. If you think it performs that much differently. I mean, I know the Toshibas are much more resilient, and they were able to take volts and all that. Well, sorry, this is a new world, a new day. I can't help it. Nothing any of us box builders can do about it. I got like no room in here, you know. Believe me, we want Toshibas back more than anybody on the planet. I wish somebody would, I don't know, would just buy the original patent or something and start making them or something. I don't know. We'd go right back to them. But Nothing we could do about it. China took over the world. So, I know, try not to breathe the garbage in. See the solder on here, it doesn't even, everything that's on here, it's like there's no flux in it. Come on, baby. You can heat up. I can't get a lot of the gun on there because of the angle. This box is kind of crowded with all its, what do you call it on here, and the bias and everything. Come on, baby. I'm trying to get the new solder to mix with the old solder. It's not really wanting to too much. Flow, baby, flow. You can do it. Would it be wrong to not even run this box? There you go. I don't think he'd appreciate that. But I'm afraid to blow it up. Now I'm gun shy. I just blew up the last box. It cost me money and time. Time and money. And time is money. I think. I don't know. I gotta get into my head that I shouldn't be doing a clown tune to the old Toshiba boxes. That's what I did on the last box. And I popped the pill in it. Oh, that wasn't cool. Because I didn't have a pill. I had to wait. I had to put the box to the side and wait for a pill to show up. Thank God Gatekeeper has them. I don't know how much longer he's going to have them. Used ones, you know. But, I don't know. I ain't into it. I mean, as far as I'm concerned, work with what's available. That's, you know what I mean? I didn't do this. I wish Toshibas were available. They're not. So, I work with what's available. That's why we've been working our butts off with these HGs, trying to figure them out and get them working. Everybody and their brother. Every box builder on the planet. Why? Because that's what we have to work with. You know what I'm talking about. Okay. I can't get in there and I can't see. Ay, ay, ay. There we go. Flow, baby, flow. That's what I'm talking about. Ah, it moved on me. Do 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 do. Sometimes you just gotta solder them in crooked and straighten them out later. Mm-hmm. Oh, I forgot. I gotta change. Oh, I did change it. I gotta change that little 10 ohm, half watt 10 ohm, but it looks like I did already. Did I? Gosh, I'm blind. I can't see anymore. It looks a little dark. I'm gonna change it anyway, just because, just in case I didn't. No, I don't think I did. Can't get into it these. So the next guy knows what pill is blowing if it blows again. Ain't gonna be me, I'll tell you that much. It's not bad. It's a little discolored, but put a new one in there. Just in case. They're all so old and dirty in this box. You can't tell It's hard to tell if they're good or not. But this is a good old box. It talks real good for them. Might as well just run it as long as you can. Just want to put just a little new solder on there to kind of dress it up a little bit, because that old solder doesn't even want to flow or anything. Okay, you're gonna make me try this thing, aren't you? Shucks. I mean, first of all, how do I even hook it up? Oh, gosh. 2 driving 6. I mean, how am I going to hook this out in the garage? Does anybody know? My 2, whatchamacallits, should run it. This is going to be problematic, isn't it? I almost need to make some kind of power cable for this. You know what I'm saying? Let me figure this out again. Now we got a nice big fat ground on there. Sorry about that. Good grief. I'll tell you, blow things up. Well, it is about 8 o'clock. I worked all day, and you know, it's my second job. Okay. And I just put the pill in and whatever. Okay, we got a 1000-watt slug in there. Oh, key nice and low. Hello. Dial the watts halfway down. Hello. Oh, she's swinging up nice. This is RMS. Hello. Yeah. Yes, sir. Let me, I'm sure he runs that thing all the way up, but let me, turn this dial a watt up. See, I can't, I gotta do it off air. I'll be right back. Okay, I just turned it up a hair. The dial watt on the radio, and so we can get a little dead key out of this. Hello. Hello. I've seen enough. This cotton picture stroking. I got this thing halfway up. I ain't even turning it on. I ain't running the risk. She's running nice and cold there. That's plenty of watts. Let's check peak. $10,000 watt slug, just because it's more liberal. Turn it on to peak with the clown nose. Bottom scale, 800, 600, 400. Ooh, it didn't like me touching it like that. That's not cool. I haven't seen that before. 200, 100, 2,000, 1,000. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 200 watts per line. This is peak. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, hello. Okay, about 20. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, hello. 2,200 peak. I've seen enough. That's all I'm doing with it. Running ice cold, no worries. You want me to turn it up, don't you? Okay. Guess I can't feel right unless shipping it out of here if it doesn't work right. Let me go back on RMS. Let me turn the camera off for a second so I can turn the dial watt down till it just keys up. Okay. I put the 1,000 watt slug back in there. We're back on RMS, okay? I turn the dial watt way down so it doesn't slam. As you can see how low it's keying. That's 1,000 watts, 800, 400, 200, 100, 24. We're literally keying up 40 watts, 20 to 40 watts. Okay, this is our mess. Hello. The thing is slamming. Hello. 700. Okay. I know, we gotta check peak. Gotta have some fun. Thing's working. Thing works mint. Now I know he talks as good as he does. I deliberately haven't been saying who this is for because I'm not sure if he wants me to, but I'm gonna call him before I do the video. If he wants me to say who it is, I'll just put it on the title. But peak watts. What did I put in there? 10,000? I don't even remember. Yep, 10K. Got the box all the way up now. If you can see the variable there. We're on peak on a 10,000 watt slug. 8,000, 6,000. Let me zoom in here. 4,000, 2,000, 1,000. Hello. Okay. Alrighty. I'm not even gonna say what that was because you guys won't even believe me. All I know is I'm shipping this box home. You guys can figure out what that was right there. Put it on you later. I'm gone.